So what I'm talking about today is I'm going to show you when I plug in my Nike iPod and what I get from the Nike software that translates into my little iPod Nano. As you see, the iPod site comes up on the Mozilla browser, and I can start checking out what I'm doing. It's starting to show me my treks for the day. I'm checking my runs for the week, the past month. It actually works out quite nice. So, as I'm checking now my run for the day, showing 32 minutes 34 seconds, and looking back the day prior, an hour and 28 minutes. That was a nice long run, probably my longest. And then before that, when I was down in Danville, a little more than a half an hour, in the beginning of the week, hour and 16-minute run. And I'm checking down here to see what my notes were, how I felt, what the day was like. Was I running on a trail, road? How long my run was, how many miles. Those little circles there on the line tell you what your speeds were. Then I want to spread it out and look at the week now and see I was kind of running every other day. And I left a little note there, and at the end of the week I ran back to back. The second day I ran a little bit lighter to not wear out the knees too hard. And then I look at my total hours ran for the week, total miles. I broke over 20. I'm happy. Average 10.16 per mile, 3,100 calories for the week. It's not bad. 4 workouts. I'm trying to shoot for 5. For the month of July, we're 11 days in. I've got 7 workouts in at 6 hours and 26 minutes, 37 miles, average of 10.15 a mile, 5,200 calories. So not bad. So let's look back at June. So as we go and take the browser back into June and see how they're spread out here, and let's go back another month here into May and see what we did. Now I'm going a little too fast here, but we did 83 miles for the month. June was 90, so that was good. And just for fun, let's see here. Look around. Let's go to all runs, and this way you can kind of at least get an idea of how your progress is trending. I'm showing 274 total workouts over a period of a year and a half, a little more than that, actually about almost 2 years, going on 2 years in September. As you see, it goes back month by month. Probably somewhere my average runs probably was somewhere around 3 miles, would be my guess, 2 to 3 miles. I didn't start breaking 5 and 6 miles until several months ago. Yeah, so we're just continuing to go back. We're a year ago now, and you can see I was just breaking 6 miles right there. That was probably the first time I broke 6 miles in a particular run over a year ago. See, I was just 5 miles back in March or around May, and back in 2007. And you see I was barely breaking 4 miles here in 2007. And then right at the very beginning, my longest run was just over 2.5 miles, or at least these are recorded miles. I was running before this, but I wasn't using the Nike software prior to that. So that's pretty much it, and hope you enjoyed that little presentation. Thank you so much.